Alright y'all, welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and today I wanted to cover always on display on the X200 Pro and the options that they have. I did cover this very briefly in a couple of my themes videos, but I didn't focus specifically on always on display. I just kind of glimpsed through it, the whole package that comes with the theme, and always on display happens to be a part of that. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in, and we're going to go into settings. We're going to go to home screen, lock screen wallpaper, and we're going to go to always on display. So you'll see their Origin OS, and I think you'll notice a lot of similarities if you have FunTouch OS as well, but it comes with quite a few always on display options in here, and you actually always on display follows the lock screen to provide a smooth transition experience. So I think if I apply that, it'll kind of change everything, but we'll test it out in a moment. Anyway, moving on, you'll see that you have quite a few options in here. Now, I think that FunTouch OS doesn't have these AI options, which is fine. So, like if I go in here, what it'll do is you choose a frame, any kind of frame, and you go down, you choose your font style, blah, blah, blah. But what you can do is click in here, and you'll have your AI painter, and you can just go in and create something. Now they're gonna look very similar. I've tested this out, like I said in a previous video, so I won't spend too much time on these. But if you do cyberpunk, and then you have a bunch of more criteria options that you have in here that you can pick. Let's do vast universe and girl, I guess, and let that generate, and we'll be back once it finishes. All right, so as you can see, that's what it came back with, a girl looking out. And if I click apply, it'll just pop it inside of that frame. And that's really all that you get. I'll apply that for now. And let's take a look at what it looks like. And you see it's very dim, so you guys may not be able to see it that well. But yeah, that's what you get. So with that being said, let's go back in and let's see. So these are your, like I said, it's standard for a lot of these. You'll have a lot of these on FunTouch OS as well. But what I didn't, what you don't see here is with each theme that you apply, you also get a always on display. So I'm gonna go back out, and just for the sake of just showing you real quick, you see I have these different pairs that I created. So let's say for the mountain, which I have applied, let me apply it again just to make sure that it shows that lock screen. So with the mountain, you get your own always on display. You see that? And when you come out of that, let's light that back up. It'll transition out into your wallpaper, and then you go into your home screen. Like I said, I've shown that previously. So, and with my son, this is another like full theme. You'll see if I apply it, it comes with his own always on display, which is pretty cool. So let's go out. You see how it transitions back into the always on display? Come out into the lock screen, and then to the home screen. So that's one of my favorite things about Origin OS is it gives you these always on display with different types of themes, and it changes like fonts on the lock screen, and I mean on the always on display screen. It just comes with like a package, and I really appreciate that. And that shines through in the different themes. But anyway, back to always on display specifically. Before I get sidetracked too much. So another piece of this is you can go down here and you can go to more always on display styles. And it takes you into the themes app. And you see it has its own section up here, always on display. You have live wallpapers and blah, 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 so on and so forth. But always on display, you have quite a few options here, which is really nice. You can download specifically always on displays. And that is so cool. Like, look at that. I mean, you can tell they put a little time into these. You can preview it, and you'll see how it looks. I don't know why it's not moving now, but if I choose get it for free, I know that I'm going to have to go through a bunch of stuff to get it to work. So, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do that, and I'll be back in just a moment. All right, y'all. So that took so long that I almost forgot what I was doing. So I'm going to go back in, and I was looking at a few more of these, and I just wanted one that had some motion to it. Now I did see that they have a lot of like anime looking ones, but I think I'm gonna go back with the one that I was looking at initially because it has a little motion to it. Now I know you don't see it here, but if we come back out, yeah, see, yeah, it has a little motion to it. So let's go with that one. Let's purchase now. Full price. Let's see if I have enough to cover it. Oh goodness gracious. I thought I had bought it for free. Hold on. Let's go back. Get for free. Alright, so we figured it out finally. Alright, so something you guys have to keep in mind is that I'm a self-proclaimed tech viewer, so tech reviewer, so I'm going to go through a little bit more than the average person, but I feel like for the average person this may not be worth it. But I'm going to apply it, and it's going to be dark, but that's pretty dope actually. I hope that shows up well enough for you guys on camera. That is pretty dope. Almost worth it. Almost worth it. But anyway, I have been super sidetracked. So we're gonna go back into settings. We're gonna go back to home screen, lock screen, and always on display. And you'll see that it's saved there now. So I can apply that to my different. I could actually go into themes, and I could set that up to where it would use that. So let's say for right here, I have this car. Let's go to always on display, and we're gonna change it. And it should be downloaded in here somewhere. Let's see, personal creations. Nope. Uh-oh, so where did it go? This is why I like doing things live, because now I can't find it. So how would I apply it? Alright guys, one more second. Let me figure it out. Alright, so it is a little tricky how you have to get there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the, let's see, go here, and we can go anywhere. Let's go to themes, and we're going to go to more theme styles. It's going to take us into the theme store. So you're going to scroll over, and you're going to go back. Well, actually, you don't have to do that. I'm sorry. And you're going to go to the Me page, and then AOD styles, and you'll see it right there, and you can apply it. It doesn't pop it into the on device, always on display screens for some reason, which would be nicer, much nicer. It would be nice if I could find it here. Now, it's in use right now, so it is showing up. But if I were to switch it off, just say anything. I'm going to apply that. All of it. All right. So if I come out, see, oh, actually it's still there. Recently used. So I stand corrected. It's in recently used, but it was not there before, unless I was just scrolling past it. But anyway, all right, guys. So one more thing that I did notice while I was setting this up. So I thought I was crazy, but you see how I have this always on display, the one I just downloaded. I have it in there, and I have it paired with the little car wallpaper that I have. So what I discovered is it doesn't give you the option if you were to go into Mood Cube and go to themes, and you see my created pairs that I have in here, and I have the car right there. So if I go over, you'll see that it has this moon always on display. If I go to try to change it, it doesn't have the one that I just downloaded in here. So I'm not crazy. It wasn't there. And I don't know why. I don't know why. But you can go out and assign it, but it will not save it to your pair. As you can see here, I have it in there, but yeah, I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have that option in here. So I just wanted to make you aware that any downloaded, always on display options that that you've gone through all the work to get from the store, it would not save it to the pair. So if you go and change your wallpaper, you have to go back in and manually download it again or apply it again. So I go to themes and go to more themes, and you can go here and go to always on the, well, I keep forgetting about it. You don't have to go to always on display. You just click on the Me button, go to always on display styles, and there it is. So you could just install this app. I mean, it's installed, but you could just set a shortcut on your desktop or go to the app itself in your app drawer. I think it should be in here. Yeah, themes. And same thing, you just go in and reapply it, but you do have to reapply it every time because you cannot save it to your pairs. And it actually shows you what other people are viewing. I saw a little animation there where the anime character blinked their eyes. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you guys. All right, all right. So that is the always on display. You have a lot of options. Now, I would say this piece right here, as far as downloading always on display option, it is a lot of work. So I don't know if you guys want to go through that or not. I don't know if it's worth it for you or not. Just me being a nerd and as determined as I am, I just went through all the work of installing apps and letting them run for 20 seconds. I don't agree to any terms. I just, that initial splash screen you get for each of the apps that you open, I just let it sit there for 20 seconds. And then I'll come back out and I have the coins for it and everything. So I did that a few times and I watched a couple of ads. And then I had enough coins to download the app. I mean, the always on display. So, yeah, I, yeah, I don't know if that's worth it. I mean, that's a nice one, and I'm glad I have it now. But I probably won't do that again too many times. That is a little bit of work. But anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out with me. And until the next one, appreciate you guys. Feel free to like and subscribe. Later.